1969 Volkswagen Custom Dune Buggy. Price, $10,000. Location, Ponchatoula, Louisiana. Built for fun and guaranteed to stand out wherever it goes, this 1969 Volkswagen Custom Dune Buggy is a unique cruiser that blends classic VW reliability with eye-catching fiberglass styling. Unlike many shortened buggy builds, it rides on a full-length Volkswagen chassis, providing added stability, comfort, and durability for both street driving and special events. Powered by the dependable Volkswagen air-cooled engine, this buggy runs strong and is equipped with a custom oil cooler featuring a thermostat-controlled electric fan, allowing it to stay cool even during long Mardi Gras parade routes and slow-speed cruising. The drivetrain has proven itself over years of dependable use, while the mechanical and electrical systems have been extensively renewed for added reliability. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1995 Rear-Engine Dragster. Price, $14,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Tiffin, Ohio. Built for serious acceleration and ready to head straight to the staging lanes, this 1995 rear-engine dragster is a proven, turnkey race machine designed for consistent high-performance competition. With a lightweight chassis, turbocharged power plant, and professional racing components throughout, this dragster offers exceptional value for racers looking to compete without the cost of a new build. Power comes from a highly engineered 2.2-liter GM Ecotec 4-cylinder engine stroked to 134 cubic inches and featuring a Sonny Bryant crankshaft, Carrillo connecting rods, diamond-forged pistons, ported and polished cylinder head, ATI harmonic balancer, and a massive precision 76mm turbocharger with intercooler. 1940 Zipper Motors Lakes Modified Style. Price, $20,000. Location, United States. Inspired by the legendary dry lakes racers of the 1940s, this Zipper Motors Lakes Modified Style Roadster is a striking custom hot rod that combines vintage racing heritage with dependable modern performance. Professionally built by Zipper Motors in 2013, the lightweight fiberglass-bodied Roadster captures the spirit of early American speed machines while offering the reliability and comfort expected from a contemporary build. Power comes from a proven 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8, paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission and a desirable quick-change rear end, delivering strong acceleration and classic V8 performance. A 4-bar front and rear suspension system, Wilwood performance brakes, dropped front axle, and side exit headers provide confident handling and the unmistakable look and sound of a traditional lakes racer. Finished in vibrant yellow with hand-laid orange pinstriping, the fiberglass body is mounted on a matching custom-painted frame that highlights the craftsmanship throughout the build. 1961 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy. Price, for $1,000. Mileage, 99,999 miles. Location, Lake Orion, Michigan. Fun, affordable, and street-legal classic, this 1961 Volkswagen Manx-style Dune Buggy is ready for sunny weekend adventures, beach cruises, and local car shows. Finished in a vibrant purple with a black interior, this lightweight buggy captures the carefree spirit that made fiberglass VW-based buggies an American favorite for decades. Power comes from a dependable 1,300 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen flat-four engine, paired with a manual transmission and swing-axle transaxle for an authentic vintage driving experience. The engine runs well and delivers the simple, reliable performance Volkswagen enthusiasts appreciate, although a tune-up is recommended after several years of storage. Built on the proven Volkswagen platform, this buggy features 14-inch front wheels, 16-inch rear wheels, and good tires that provide a confident stance both on the road and at weekend events. 1950 Stammer Roadster Project. Price, sold for $29,000. Location, United States. Fascinating survivor from the golden age of American hot rodding, this 1950 Stammer Roadster Project is a one-of-a-kind custom with an incredible history dating back to the late 1940s. Hand-built between 1948 and 1950 by renowned fabricator Fred Stammer of Burbank, California, the Roadster features expertly crafted steel bodywork mounted on a modified Willis frame, making it a rare piece of early custom automotive engineering. Power originally came from a 136 cubic inch Ford V 8-60, equipped with dual Stromberg carburetors and backed by a 3-speed manual transmission, delivering the authentic performance and character of a period-correct hot rod. Additional vintage features include cable-operated brakes and staggered wire wheels, perfectly capturing the appearance and engineering of post-war American roadsters. Following its completion, the Stammer Roadster gained national recognition with feature articles in prestigious publications including Road and Track, Motor Trend, and Popular Science, cementing its place in early hot rod history. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle Baja. Price, $5,000. Location, Beacon, New York. Built for adventure both on and off the pavement, this 1970 Volkswagen Baja Beetle is a rugged, dependable classic that's ready for trails, back roads, and weekend fun. Combining the legendary simplicity of Volkswagen engineering with the aggressive Baja bug look, this custom build is an affordable way to enjoy one of the most iconic off-road classics ever created. Power comes from a strong 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen flat-four engine, delivering spirited performance and the unmistakable sound that Baja enthusiasts love. The car starts, runs, and drives well with no reported issues, making it ready to enjoy immediately. 1972 Volkswagen Kellison Super T Dune Buggy. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 19,500 miles. Location, Hampstead, North Carolina. A true icon of the 1970s, this 1972 Volkswagen Kellison Super T Dune Buggy delivers classic beach cruiser style with dependable Volkswagen performance. Finished in eye-catching turquoise with a gray interior, this vintage buggy captures the carefree spirit of the era while offering the reliability and simplicity that make air-cooled Volkswagens so popular with enthusiasts today. Power comes from a proven 1,600 cubic centimeters dual-port air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting manual transmission for an authentic open-air driving experience. The engine starts easily, runs strong, and delivers the fun, lightweight performance that has made these fiberglass buggies legendary for decades. 1946 Jeep Hot Rod. Price, $11,500. Location, Battle Creek, Michigan. Blending vintage military-inspired styling with traditional hot rod engineering, this 1946 Jeep Hot Rod is a one-of-a-kind custom build designed to deliver lightweight performance and unmistakable character. Constructed just 4 years ago with a brand-new steel body mounted on a custom-built 2x3-inch box tube frame, this unique machine offers classic looks backed by carefully selected performance components. Power comes from a professionally built Ford 8BA flathead V8, bored point 125-inch over, with the block decked and squared, a reground crankshaft, ISKI Max 2 camshaft, adjustable lifters, performance valve springs, Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Offenhauser 4-barrel intake, and a 4-barrel carburetor. 2020 DFKC Goblin V1 Turbo. Price, $23,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Knoxville, Tennessee. A modern lightweight performance machine with exotic car attitude, this 2020 DFKC Goblin V1 Turbo delivers an exciting blend of speed, agility, and open-air driving fun. Built for weekend adventures, spirited backroad cruises, and track day excitement, this street-legal custom vehicle offers a thrilling driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Power comes from a Chevrolet Ecotec turbo engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, creating an impressive power-to-weight ratio that makes the Goblin incredibly quick and responsive. With only 300 miles driven, this build remains fresh and ready for its next enthusiast to enjoy. ACG Roadster Club Car. Price, $8,995. Location, Youngstown, Ohio. Combining classic Roadster-inspired styling with modern electric convenience, this ACG Roadster Club Car 48V electric golf cart is a unique street-legal cruiser designed for fun, comfort, and attention-grabbing style. Built on an aluminum club car chassis, this one-of-a-kind vehicle offers smooth operation, practical features, and a custom appearance that stands out everywhere it goes. Powered by a reliable 48-volt electric drivetrain, this Roadster-style cart delivers quiet, efficient performance perfect for neighborhood cruising, community events, resort driving, or weekend enjoyment. It comes equipped with brand new Trojan batteries, ensuring dependable range and strong performance for years to come. This street-legal build features a long list of upgrades and accessories, including a premium sound system, turn signals, newer tires, chrome wheels, for seat belts, rear-view mirrors, windshield, front and rear lighting, horn, hitch receiver, locking glove boxes, front storage area, and onboard charger.